Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Welcome to another exciting DeepSeek R1 tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to run DeepSeek R1 locally in Python. So we are going to use the Ollama and download the DeepSeek 7 billion model. Then create the Python virtual environment, activate the virtual environment, install the required libraries, and finally write the Python code to use the DeepSeek R1 7 billion model. So let's get started with this exciting tutorial. You can visit our website and find all the code given here. So in this tutorial, you will learn how to install Ollama on Windows. So you need to download the Ollama and then install it on your Windows computer. Once the Ollama is installed, you can run the command Ollama hyphen version and you can see the Ollama version. So Ollama is already installed on my machine. Next step is to download this model. Ollama run DeepSeek R1 colon 7B 7 billion. This model is already downloaded on my machine and it won't take much time to start. So this is already installed. So I have come out from the Ollama terminal. The next step is to create the Python virtual environment. Command is simple. In my case, it is Python minus mv nv and the environment name. So it is creating the environment. Now I can activate the environment. So you can see there is a env1 directory. I can activate the environment by typing this command env1 slash script slash activate. So this activated the environment env1. Now we need to install the Python Ollama library and command is pip install Ollama. So this library is installed. Now you can run the command Ollama list. The Ollama list command is giving us the name of the model that has been downloaded on my system. So DeepSeek R1 colon 7B is downloaded in my computer. DeepSeek R1 colon 7B is downloaded in my computer. Next, we need to write the Python code and test. I will use the Visual Studio Code. And create one file. Let's test.py. So this Python file is created. I already have the source code here. So instead of writing it, I am going to copy this and paste in the Python code. I will provide you the link to this tutorial page where you will get the source code described here. So we are importing the Ollama, and here we are giving the model name, and this is the question to ask. So my question is how to make good tea. So Ollama.chat, model name is this model, and the message is role is user, and content is question, Ollama response, and finally we are printing the Ollama response. So from chat we will get the response output, and from the response we will get the content and print here. So we can simply type python test.py, and now it is going to load the model from the disk. So you can see this disk activity is very high, and the CPU activity is also high. So in my laptop it is using the CPU to run the model. So here is the output of the program. Our program connected with the DeepSeek R1 model and asked the question how to make tea, and the model returned this answer: making good tea is all about balance and attention to the detail. Here is a simple guide to brewing an excellent cup of tea, and these are the so these steps looks good. I will provide you the link to the tutorial page where you will find all the source code discussed in this video. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.